Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start a new topic. Today we will learn about the events of 1946. So first of all, we will discuss the session of legislature in 1946. So the session of legislature was held on 9th April 1946 in Delhi, and some demands were given to the legislative assemblies. So one by one we will discuss the demands. The demand of Qaid-e-Azam and the demand of Hussain Shahid Suhrawardi. In this session, Qaid-e-Azam stressed upon the demand of Pakistan, and Hussain Shahid Suhrawardi from Bengal, he submitted a resolution. In this resolution, an independent Pakistan was demanded, consist of Sindh, Punjab, KPK, Balochistan, Bengal and Assam. The second demand was the separate legislative assemblies. So the separate legislative assembly should be formed for Pakistani Muslims and Hindustani Hindus to prepare the constitution for both the countries. Now Muslim League clearly said that if these demands are accepted, then Muslim League is ready to join the interim government. Otherwise, they will propose line of action by themselves. The demand of Pakistan was unhappily accepted by the British government and Congress. The next major event is Cabinet Mission Plan in same date, same year 1946. The Cabinet Mission Plan, comprising 3 senior cabinet ministers, number 1 Sir Stafford Cripps, A.V. Alexander, Lord Pethick. These 3 great leaders came to India subcontinent from the Britain for the solution of Indian problems. Now, participation of Indian leaders, number 1 Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Gandhi, Qaid-e-Azam stressed on Pakistan and Gandhi stressed on United India. Now we will discuss the aims of the Cabinet Mission Plan. Number 1, discussion with the elected representatives, setting up of constitutional body, setting up of an executive council with the support of Indian parties. Now the proposals of Cabinet Mission Plan divided into 2 parts: short-term proposals and long-term proposals. Now the short-term proposals, according to the short-term proposals, the party which will accept these proposals will be invited to be included in the interim government. Long-term proposals, according to the long-term proposals, all the provinces will be divided into 3 groups, like Group A, Group B and Group C. Group A consists of Hindu majority provinces, that is UP, Madras, Orissa and Bihar. Group B consists of Muslim majority provinces like KPK, Balochistan, Sindh and Punjab. And Group C also consists of Muslim majority provinces of Assam and Bengal. Second point is separation of provinces. If a province desires separation from any group, after 10 years will have the right of separation. Now, responsibilities of government: defense, foreign affairs and communication will be under the control of British government. Now we will discuss the response of Muslim League and Congress. So Cabinet Mission Plan was accepted by Muslim League because there was a concept of making of Pakistan. Now what was the response of Congress? So Congress rejected the Cabinet Mission Plan, and the leader Jawaharlal Nehru gave a statement then: when Congress will join the interim government, it will be free to make any kind of change in the Cabinet Mission Plan. Now, protest of Muslim League. Muslims were worried that Congress will amend the constitution and the concept of making of Pakistan would be finished. Muslim League protested and passed a resolution on 29 July 1946 to withdraw from the Cabinet Mission Plan. Now the next point is Yom-e Rast Iqdam, Direct Action Day. On the appeal of Qaid-e-Azam, Yom-e Rast Iqdam was observed on 16 August 1946, Muslim League protested against the wrong policies of government. Now, British government was unable to control the worst situation of the India subcontinent and the protest of Muslim League as well. Next point is formation of interim government, the date 1946 and 47. Clear? Viceroy announced the interim government and made it clear that if any party will not accept the cabinet mission proposals will not be included in the interim government. Now they talk about a representation. Congress will have 6 representatives, Muslim League will have 5 representatives and minorities will have 3 representatives. Now the decision of Muslim League and Congress, Muslim League decided to join the interim government and Congress once again rejected the plan. Now, what was the policy of the government? It was not possible for the British government to form the interim government without Congress and Muslim League. Due to dual policy of government, Muslim League protested and rejected the plan. Inclusion of the Congress and Muslim League, British government invited both the parties. The two major parties, Congress and Muslim League, for the inclusion in the interim government.